YouTube, what is going on? It has been such a long time since I've said that. It feels so weird and I'm uncomfortable saying it. Anyways, what's going on, guys? I'm back and I want to apologize first off. I have been off this channel. I haven't been posting videos or filming for such a long time. Life has been, you could say, a disaster. It's been hectic, it's been stressful, and I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So I was like, you know what? Time to pick the camera back up, get back on the grind, start making videos again, start showing you guys what the f is going on. So that's what we're doing tonight. As you can see, I shaved my head. I don't know why. It was an impulsive decision. My girlfriend was like, hey, let's shave your head. I said, f it, let's do it. So we did it. Now, with that being said, I haven't been on the channel for a while, and I'm sorry. I have been posting shorts. That's just content that I do for Instagram and TikTok and all that. I put on my shorts channel, or I put it on the channel as a short. So yeah, first off, I want to apologize for being AFK for so damn long. Like I said, life has been hectic. I got my channel demonetized by YouTube. That was a whole headache. I had to deal with that and figure that out. I am just trying to focus on my business, just trying to get stuff in order, build the website, make sure my logistics are right with shipping and everything. And I'm doing taxes for the first time as a business owner, and that shit is terrifying. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Oh, I also got a new camera, and that's what I'm recording on right now. So I hope the quality is nothing short of cinematic, because this thing was fucking expensive. So, with that being said, I finally got the car done. It's dialed in, all the body panels are on, everything's wrapped. It's clean, somewhat. It's kind of dusty. It's been windy as shit the past couple days. I've actually been waiting for it to die down just so I could go out and film this video. So I want to show last time in the last video, I kind of showed you guys the wrap. The car wasn't done. It still had body panels missing, the front bumper. It looked like shit. So I want to show you guys now and go over the car with you really quick now that it's fully done and it looks good. I don't know about you, but it's so gangster. The wrap is so cool. Like, obviously you see the blue, and you can see the front bumper and the skirt. It's carbon. That's not real carbon. That is a wrap, my friends. You might not be able to tell, but that carbon fiber right there is a wrap. And it looks so goddamn good. Let me tell you, it looks so good. So we did the blue, we did the carbon fiber, got the body kit on, and I'm f***ing stoked. I love it. It was a process, it was a lot of money, it was a lot of time, and a lot of stress. I'm cracking up right now. Right where I'm at, there's a huge intersection because there's a freeway right there. And whenever people have seen me or the car standing right here, they do like a pull down the street or they'll rev their car. I had one guy do a burnout, one dude do like a drift U-turn. Nobody cares, dude. I don't care. I don't understand the logic, the thinking that people have. Like, there's a cool car, let me show off. Like, I don't get it. Oh, there's a V6 Charger. I wonder if he's gonna maybe slide into a crowd or a curb or something. Let's see. Good guy. V6 guy too. Sounds like shit, but he wasn't acting like a jackass. So, he gets a pass. But I just thought that was funny. I had to share that with you guys. It's been nonstop for the past like 45 minutes. I do gotta clean my exhaust. It is absolutely filthy. I drove through like this construction zone the other day. There was a bunch of mud and shit. And I actually kind of messed up my side skirts. Or I'm sorry, yeah, the front of the side skirts and the rear valences, like where the, like if you do a burnout where it collects on the back, like where the, you know what the fuck, this thing right here, that. I scattered rocks and little pebbles and mud everywhere, and it kind of messed up the wrap right there, and I'm kind of annoyed about it. But the way that the skirts and the valences were wrapped, there's a, what is it called? Like a, I don't know, like a, not a panel, but like the way it's wrapped. I don't know wrap shit. I don't paint.
The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma.
But like one piece goes right here, and on the other side it's another piece. So it's like two separate pieces, so I can peel that piece off. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying anymore. Overlay. Overlay is the word that I was thinking of. Overlay. Jesus Christ, overlay. So yeah, I'm back on YouTube. Like I said, it's been a hectic past couple of months, and I'm finally back to where I'm comfortable picking up and filming again, making content. It's really hard to do when you don't have any friends that like to do cool car shit. I have a couple friends that have cool cars, but like they're all lame, dude. Like they don't want to go out and go drive or cruise or go to, I don't like car meets really, but they don't want to go to car meets. It's just a high kill, you know? And this car's done. Like there's not really much else for me to do to this car besides like seats. Oh, you know what? Actually, I did get new floor mats. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I ended up getting some HKS floor mats because the other ones were done. They were fried. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video because it's been a while and I missed you guys. I missed people commenting and me replying to the comments, having a convo, feedback from the video, like my friends, my family. My family watches my videos. I think that's awesome. I don't think there's a lot of people out there whose family watches their shit because most of the time, you guys suck. Not family, the creators, the content creators. I hate being labeled a content creator, but it's the title that I was given by a couple of people now. So, got to deal with that. But yeah, there's going to be a ton more content and stuff coming with the car. I'm going to try to do as much as I possibly can. There's not much to do in Vegas. It's about to be summertime. It's already starting to get warm as hell. It was like 75 today. I was sweating my ass off cleaning this car. Yeah, believe it or not, I cleaned this today. You guys already see how dusty and dirty it is. This wrap has a lot of static. It gets dusty so quick. Anyways. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Just wanted to make a quick little update video of what's going on with me, in my life, my car. I wanted to try out this new camera. I got the car done, looking clean, and I missed you guys. So, with that being said, appreciate you guys watching. Leave a thumbs up, leave a thumbs down, subscribe, block me. I don't give a shit. Anyways, see you in the next one.